In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your sound output device on your ASUS laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Windows icon to open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select system on the left panel here. And then on the right side, you want to select sound. And now underneath choose where to play a sound, if you click the drop down, you can expand that. Select whatever output device you want to select as your default one. You can also adjust the volume level here or add a new device by selecting the add device button and then walking through the on-screen steps. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.